Boys and girls. Alright, boys and girls, hello guys. So today we're going to take a look at our workbook, Year 5 workbook, page 52. Page 52. If you don't have this book, it's okay. It's just for your revision. So we're going to revise the first exercise as the revision, yeah? Alright, let's go. So today's topic is about sport. Let's take a look what kind of sport that we're going to learn today. So we have athletics, basketball, climbing, cycling, football, golf, gymnastics, hockey, horse riding, rugby, sailing, skiing, swimming, tennis, volleyball, and wrestling. Yeah, let's start. Before we do the exercise, let's take a look at the vocabulary. Alright, the first one. We have athletics. Can you read with me? Make your voice louder, yeah? Athletics. Athletics. So for athletics means we have javelins, like this, the javelins. We have the hurdles. We have the spring races. We have the high jump, shot put. Also have hammer throw and many more. Yeah, athletics. Athletics. Make your voice louder. Athletics. Athletics. So we have different kind of sports in athletics. So we can do javelins, hurdles, sprint races, high jump, shot put, hammer throw. So which one you like? Alright, next one. Ooh, next one. Do you know what sport it is this? We must wear shoes. Oh, what happened? Oh no. Can you guess what sport is this? Yeah, it's a basketball. 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 Make your voice louder, yeah? Basketball. Good job. Next one, we have, see? This sport, yeah, it's quite popular nowadays. Yeah, this is what we call climbing. So we have two types. One is this one, human made it. One is the mountain or the hill. So we can do the climbing. 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 See the person climbing? Yes, climbing. We must wear the safety. For safetyness, yeah? Climbing. 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 Good. Next one we have. Do you know what sport is this? We have Mr. Bean there. What is that? Yup, good. That is cycling. Cycling. See the mushroom and Mr. Potato and Mr. Dog? They are cycling. 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 Next one we have football. Yes, most of the boys and maybe some of the girls, they like football. Football. Yeah, look at the ball here. Football. Football. Read with me, yeah, louder. Make your voice louder. Next one, do you know what sport is this? Ching. You know it? Yes, start with the letter G. That is golf. See the Popeye here? Golf. 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 Okay, next one we have. Yes, also start with G. We have gymnastic. Gymnastic. Yeah, all those are gymnastic. Gymnastics. 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 Good. Next one. Yes, we have hockey. Hockey. There are two types of hockey as well. As you can see, hockey. Hockey. Okay, next one we have. Yes, start with H. horse riding, horse riding, horse riding. Next one, we have, yes, this one, the extreme sport. You must be very tough to play it. That is rugby, 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 rugby. Next one, we have sailing. Sailing. We need the strong wind when you want to sail, but the extra strong wind will cause something, some accident like this. Okay, sailing, sail, yeah, sailing, sailing. Okay, next one we have skiing. Yes, skiing, skiing. We must need the snow, yeah. See, skiing, skiing, double I, yeah. Next one we have, yes, everybody love this, swimming, swimming. Make sure you write the double M, swimming, swimming. Next one we have tennis. It's not badminton. The racket is and the ball is definitely it's not the same. So this is tennis, 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 double N. Yeah. Right. Next one we have volleyball. See, volleyball. Volleyball, volleyball, volleyball. Next one we have. Do you know what is this? You cannot do this at home. It's dangerous. No, you cannot do it at home. What is this? Yes, we read as wrestling. We don't read the W, but when we spell, we have the W. W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. So drop the W, we read it as wrestling. Wrestling. It's so dangerous, so don't do it at home. Alright? Wrestling. Wrestling. Alright. Let's choose the correct answer. Okay, let's go. So take a look at the picture. Take a look at the picture. You can choose the answer here. So we must read first. Label the pictures 1 until 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here with the words, and then it's stated here there are 9 extra words. 9 extra words. Yeah. Let's see. The first one already given to you. The first one is hockey. This one, hockey. We're done with hockey. Alright, can you tell me the answer for number 1? Do you know what is number 1? Yes, good job. It's cycling. 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 C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. When you write down the answer, please spell and read. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. So once you're done with the answer, please draw a line. Means that you already chose the answer. Okay, now number 2. Can you tell me what is number 2 just now? That we need a strong wind. We do it at the sea. What is this? Yep, very good. It's sailing. Sailing. S-A-I-L-I-N-G. When you write, you spell and you read. Okay? S-A-I-L-I-N-G. Sailing. Sailing. Sail. And then you draw a line there. Number 3. Yes, this one easy. Easy peasy. What is this? Start with S. Yep. Swimming. Make sure you spell the correct one. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Double M in the middle. Yeah. Swimming. Swimming. Alright. Next one, number 4. Number 4. Yep. This one easy. Basketball. Basketball. B-A-S-K-E-T-B-A-L-L. Basketball. One word. Alright. basketball. Now go to number 5. This is not badminton. As you can see, the racket here is definitely not the same. And the ball too. What is this? Good. It's tennis. Yeah, tennis. Tennis. Double N. Yeah, this is double M just now. This is double N. Tennis. Here, we draw a line. All right, the last one. Yep, is golf. G-O-L-F. This is F, yeah? G-O-L-F. Golf. Golf. Okay, so the rest we are not using it. Let's read together one more time. Hockey. 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 Cycling. 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 Sailing. 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 Swimming. 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 Basketball. 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 Tennis. 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 Golf. 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 Alright. So please finish your work and do your revision. Alright. You can comment down below if you get any problems. Okay. So please finish your work and do the revision. Till we meet again. Bye bye.